everyone, welcome to joining us at Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby products based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility for you, the customer, to help you find better suppliers in China. Today we're in Dongguan, in the toy and baby product manufacturing hub of China. We're going to visit Intex to get a better look at their Certified Initiative program, so you can customers get a better idea of their capabilities. So let's go take a look. Welcome to Intex showroom. As a certified supplier attaches great importance to product safety and quality management system, their products meet great superior products at a competitive price. Here in the showroom, we're going to show you some products that not only comply with international standards such as EN 71 or ASTM, we're going to show you products that have stood the test of time. So for example, you have a lot of products here that have been around just as long as the factory has been here, like the Alibaba Camel, for instance. We talked about the Alibaba Camel when we've seen the assembly and production line. But here, as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, you can see that Intex has put great work in caring to the products that they provide. It's having the multiple types of certifications that they meet, not just on the domestic market, but as well as on international standards, shows that this company has the track record and the know-how to exceed all expectations. So as we walk through this showroom, you can see the different products that I enjoyed growing up as a kid that they have here as well. For instance, you have like the backgammon game, Mao Jiao, which I'm trying to learn how to play in China. And you also have like the Brain Masters and all other types of games. You have the Sound Bingo and all the types of toys that you have. And these types of toys come from the new type of equipment that they've developed throughout the years, the new type of equipment they bring into the company to better produce better quality products. Intex has supplied a lot of these products on a global scale throughout the years. They have also invested in recent years to make sure that they have the proper automation equipment, better producing goods such as automatic sealing machines, robotic arms, automatic spray line, so they can offer very quality products to their customers. Here at the assembly line of a particular product, which is the Alibaba Camel, you can see that the employees put great emphasis on being very detailed with the certain parts of the machine, of toy that they have to address. With the high standards that Intex applies, such as standards as EN 71, ASTM, you can see that they pay great detailed attention to what they're doing. The employees here are very diligent in the efforts that they're providing the right type of technique to make that the product is suitable for the open market. As a certified supplier with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, you can see Intex not only meet, but they also exceed the quality standard that is necessary to make sure they have something that's suitable for the children and for the marketplace so people can enjoy the type of services again.